Hey folks, Sergio here with.
Janine.
Well, thank you folks for taking the time and following us on our channel. The channel that is about our dream of finding that home on the southwest area of Florida on the water. We need water for our boat, so that's what we're looking for. So we do cover a lot of the real estate searches and analysis that we're doing, but sometimes I come upon these stories that are related because not only are we looking out for ourselves, but we do have a channel now and we're here also to help others. Those snowbirds that are like us, retired, looking for a home on the water on Florida, this applies to you as well. So, honey, look what I found, this story, and I want to share it with our viewers, see what you think and give me some input. So we got here, Americans flee mortgage market despite lower rates as lenders tighten grip on credit nationwide. This is not just Florida, everywhere. Mortgage applications plunge 9.7% to new low, while credit availability hits lowest level since 2011. Remember what happened before, honey? What happened?
Yeah. Around 2008, 2009, everybody remember that it was the housing market meltdown. It was a very complicated time for sellers. Prices on properties went down, from a lot of money, and banks starting to regulate, the applications, and in order to qualify for to get a mortgage, it was gets complicated since that banks becoming very strict, and is this situation is still until today. And obviously at that time was a buyer's market. A lot of people got properties for a very low price. Even investors, everybody was buying because it was a very good time to buy, not to sell. And this article confirmed that we are becoming, a seller's market, a buyer's market again. So for us, for people like us, that we are, looking for a property to buy. In our case, the home of our dream in the water is our opportunity. It's sad for sellers, but real estate is like that. There's times where it's a seller's market and times where it's a buyer. So it looks like we're in a buyer's market again. And just like we address in another video that we have in our channel, and for us it's a good time. It's a good time to keep looking for for the right property, the one that we want, that we wish, and that's it.
So I want to read part of this article here, and it says here, for the week ending January 2nd, mortgage applications fell 9.7% from 2 weeks earlier, a steep drop making a new low to close out 2025. According to the Mortgage Bankers Association's latest weekly mortgage application survey, that's roughly 10% decline, meaning fewer people are trying to buy or refinance homes. In a nutshell, this whole comes back to when is the time? Is the time now? Obviously, my wife just said it. I agree 100%. Sometimes, and I hate to always address it this way, the real estate market, if you ask a lender, if you ask a realtor, you might get a different angle to this. Right now, the fact that we're looking for a home, we're basically doing our due diligence to make sure that we're buying at the right time. And we almost, I want to say I almost pulled the trigger. I told my wife about a home that we saw on the Southwest Inglewood area. And my wife kind of like, she's the brake in the relationship and I'm the accelerator. And the truth is, only a couple of months have passed since then. And we've seen homes, one in particular, it's under a pending contract right now. And it's dropped to like $25,000 in the last month and a half. So had we pulled the trigger on that house and made an offer, right now we would be upside down or actually losing 25 grand off the top. So this is something that we need to look at as a whole, and we have to be patient. I have to be patient. My wife, I'm thankful for her helping me, kind of control my emotions sometimes when it comes to, some of these homes, because I feel like, oh no, somebody's going to buy it. Well, there'll be other ones, 2026 just started, and we're going to be patient and continue. But every time an article like this pops up, I want to address it because we're helping others as well. We're going to be over there one way or the other. We'll buy a place. There'll be plenty of homes available. But, we don't want to buy a home and then find ourselves that we're upside down on the mortgage. So let's be patient. Please, help this channel as well so we can continue. Maybe you want to wrap it up?
Yeah, we thank you for watch our videos, and we always ask you kindly to share and like it and subscribe.
Thank you so much, and God bless.
God
Have a good
bless.
one. Bye-bye.